Hello friends, welcome to Student Impulse. First of all, thanks for being in my YouTube channel. This video we are going to discuss about various job openings in Visakhapatnam. These jobs are totally collected from newspapers. Please do not pay money for any kind of job. This is a job opening for Creative Akriti Private Limited. They have openings for 3D Max operators and architectural civil CAD operators. For 3D Max operators, minimum experience is 2 years. For architectural civil CAD operators, minimum experience is 2 years. You can contact on the given phone numbers for further details. Next, there is a job openings at Damodaram Sanjeevaya National Law University. They have openings for professor, assistant professors, teaching associates, associate professors, lecturers, research assistants. For application form, eligibility criteria, scale of pay, rule of reservation and other details, visit Damodaram Sanjeevaya National Law University official website www.dsnlu.ac.in. The fill-in application with registration fee of 1000 rupees in case of general, 500 rupees in case of other categories by the way of demand draft drawn in favor of the register Damodaram Sanjeevaya National Law University payable at Visakhapatnam should reach the register Damodaram Sanjeevaya National Law University, Nayaprastha, Sabavaram, Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh on or before November 9th by 5 p.m. There is a job openings for SRM University, Andhra Pradesh. There is academic positions and leadership positions, non-academic positions. Under academic positions, there are openings for variety of subjects like for the following profiles like professors, associate and assistant professors and visiting faculty. For the below subjects, there are openings like School of Engineering and Applied Sciences, Computer Science, Electrical and Electronics, Electronics and Communications, Mechanical and Civil Engineering, Physics, Chemistry, Mathematics and Statistics and Biology, School of Liberal Arts and Social Sciences, Environmental Science, Economics, Psychology, History, Journalism and English. School of Entrepreneurship and Management Studies, Organizational Behavior HRM, Marketing, Finance, Commerce, International Business, International Management, Information Systems, Data Analytics, Operations, Logistics and Supply Chain Management. For all these subjects, there is a academic positions like professors, associate and assistant professors and visiting faculty. Then under leadership positions, Dean is required, School of Engineering and Applied Sciences, including basic sciences, School of Liberal Arts and Social Sciences, School of Entrepreneurship and Management Studies. For all this, there is Dean is required. Then for non-academic positions, Innovation, Design and Entrepreneurship Academy, Assistant Director, Design and Innovation, Assistant Director, Entrepreneurship, Director and Associate Director, International Relation, Placement, Admission, Student Affairs, Human Resources. Compensation for all positions, 12 lakhs to 30 lakhs, 36 lakhs per annum, and there is no limit for outstanding aspirants. Registration SRM University, Andhra Pradesh. You can go through this link and check for the other openings and the other details. You have to apply before October 30th. The official website address is given as www.srmap.edu.in/careers. Next, there is a job openings for Margadarshi Chit Fund Private Limited. It is like a walk-in interview. You can attend at the given address. They have openings for recovery assistants. Male graduate with a pleasing personality below 30 years with 2 or 3 years of experience is required. Candidates having valid two-wheeler driving license are preferred. The above posts are mainly field-oriented. Fresh graduates also can attend for trainee position. Interested candidates may also attend walk-in interview on 18th October 2020 at our NAD Kota Road branch from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. along with Xerox copy of certificates, testimonials, Aadhaar card, PAN card and recent color passport size photograph at the following address. Next, there is a job openings for DCS cum boiler operating engineers to work on contract basis for Vijayanagar Biotech Private Limited. You can contact on the given phone number for further details. I have also provided the official company address details here. Next, there is a job openings for Sigma Diesel Kirloskar Generators Authorized Service Center. They have openings for diesel technicians, with or without experience to work in field of a Kirloskar service dealer, preferably with a two-wheeler. You can contact on the given phone numbers or you can share your resume at the provided email ID. Next, there is a job openings for Kanakadurga Finance Limited. They have openings for business executives. NBFC required 2 and 4-wheeler business executives. You can contact on the given address or you can contact on the given phone number. Next, there is job openings for World First Courier. They have openings for branch managers and delivery boys and loading boys. You can contact on the given phone numbers for further details. I have also provided the address details here. Next, there is job openings for Sri Krishna Health Center. They have openings for staff nurses, GNM or BSc. You can contact on the given number for further details. I have also provided the address details here. There is a job opening for Indus Projects Private Limited. It is like a walk-in. You can directly visit the provided address or you can contact on the given phone numbers or you can share your resume at the provided email ID. These are all for railway projects. There is a Odisha region and Vizag region. Under Odisha region, manager, qualification BTech, BE Electrical, experience 10 to 12 years required. Deputy manager, assistant manager, BTech, BE Electrical, experience 7 to 9 years is required. Engineer, diploma, BTech, BE Electrical, experience 2 to 6 years required. For Vizag region, project manager, BTech, BE Civil is qualification, experience 15 to 20 years required. Senior engineers, BTech, BE Civil, experience 7 to 10 years required. Site engineers, BTech, BE Civil, experience 4 to 5 years required. Planning assistant, BTech, BE Civil, AutoCAD, experience 4 to 5 years is required. Time office assistants, qualification, intermediate, degree, experience 4 to 5 years is required. Store assistants, degree, knowledge in focus software, experience 4 to 5 years is required. Shuttering foreman, 9 members required. Rod bending foreman, 4 members is required. Next, there is job openings for Mars Pharma Private Limited. They need pharma experienced medical representatives for Vizag and Gazwaka locations. You can share your resume at the provided email ID hr@marspharma.com. I have also provided the contact details and other address details here. Next, there is a job opening for Sai Senmuka developers. They require telecallers female. Age should be between 20 to 30 years. Qualification is degree with good communication skills. English and Telugu languages are required. You can contact on the given phone numbers for further details. There is a job openings for Nikita Hospital. They require receptionist, female, nurses, GNM is preferred, ward boys, and you can contact on the given phone numbers for further details. I have also provided the official address details here. Next, there is a job openings for Aquasafe Water Technologies. They require marketing executives and telecallers for water purifying marketing in Gazwaka location. You can contact on the given phone number for further details. Next, there is a job openings for Maruti Service Center. They require computer operator and receptionist, mechanics, helpers, water servicing workers. You can contact on the given phone number for further details. Next, there is a job opening for Pawan Family Offer Mall. They require male or female candidates for sales. You can contact on the given phone numbers for further details. Salary offered 7,000 to 10,000. Next, there is job openings for waspflow.com, which is going to be started on Dasara festival day. You can contact on the given phone number for further details. They require marketing executives with or without experience. I have also provided the contact number here and address details here. You can check with once. It is they have openings in Vizag and other locations as well. Next, there is job openings for manager, senior branch manager for Kanakadurga Finance. You can share your resume at the provided email ID or you can contact on the given phone number. Next, there is job openings for Boja food delivery app. They require delivery boys for this, and you can directly walk in between 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Monday to Saturday at the given address, or you can contact on the phone number which is provided here. Next, there is job openings for front office executive, customer service executives. A reputed construction company requires the following personnel immediately to work in Visakhapatnam office. Front office executive, female graduates with age below 26 years with fluency in English and Telugu language, salary offered 10,000 per month. Customer service executive, female MBA graduate with age below 28 years, having an excellent communication and PR skills, salary offered 12,000 per month. For the above two posts, computer knowledge is must. You can contact the given number between 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Interview will be held on today and tomorrow. That's it for today, guys. If you like this video, please like and share and subscribe the channel for more updates. If you have any questions or queries, please ask in comments.